Generating a video with Sequvo, it's easy. Go to Generate tab, which shows you this screen. This is where you place the picture of the product, describe it as well as possible, and the scene for the actor, action and dialogue. Set the video settings to standard or high quality. Set the video format to landscape or portrait. Set it to 8 seconds, 16 seconds, 24 or up to 1 minute video. You can describe the scene more in AI notes. And in the same place you can tell AI what to avoid while generating. In this example, I'm removing background music, soundtrack, melody from the avoid list. Make sure you have the rights to use the picture and click generate. It can take up to 2 minutes to generate an 8-second video.
Stay hydrated.
We can improve this video. Sequvo makes it easy for you. Go to prompts, reuse prompts, and it will copy all the prompts from that video so you can improve them. I'm gonna tell Sequvo that this time we need a woman and a more enthusiastic one. Because in the last video the text on the product was unclear, I am removing these keywords from the avoid category. This should definitely help.
Stay hydrated.
We can already see the difference. She used the bottle correctly this time, and the text on the bottle is much clearer. I can't wait to see what you guys create.